Hello, this is Laurent Aliev, and today we're going to talk about how to qualify for Medi Cal. What are the rules in order for me to qualify for Medi Cal? Why do I want to be qualified for Medi Cal? That is the first question we should answer, because Medi Cal will cover most, if not all, your nursing home care costs. And if you're in an assisted living facility and it's one of those special ones, it's not a, I wouldn't put my money on this, but there are facilities that take something called the assisted living facility waiver from Medi Cal, and Medi Cal will help pay for that as well. So what are the qualifications? How do I qualify? Well, there is a set of assets that you are allowed to have. There is a set of assets that can be unavailable and are not counted, and the remaining assets are counted and could disqualify you from those benefits. What are some assets you could have and still qualify? And here's the shocker, because almost everybody doesn't understand this really easy concept. You could have a house and still be on Medi Cal. One more time, you could have a house at any cost, any price, any value, it doesn't matter, right? If you have one house and it's in Beverly Hills and it's worth $5 million, you could qualify for Medi Cal, right? It's insane, right? And other assets you could have a certain amount of money in the bank account depending on whether you're single or married. There's you could have a burial plot, an IRA. There's so many different things you could have and still qualify, right? And even if you don't have these special assets that are not counted, you could perform Medi Cal planning and then get qualified based on that as well, right? What are some things that are counted? Well, obviously money. Money is counted. You have a lot of money in the bank account, that's going to be counted. That's going to be a problem. It's not going to get you onto Medi Cal unless you do the planning. Let's say you have investment accounts. Those are problematic. Selling those may result in capital gains. How do you avoid all that? It's very important to know exactly what you're doing here in order to get onto Medi Cal, right? Yeah, a lot of people are like, oh, I'll do this myself. I'll just gift it all to my friend, or I'll gift it all to my son, and then it's not in my name or not in that person's name, and I qualify. Well, Medi Cal is not stupid. They know people do this, and they will charge you with a penalty every time you do a transfer. And this penalty could go on for 2.5 years, where they say, I know you have zero money, but you made these transfers, and now 2.5 years, you're not getting onto Medi Cal. Good luck, right? So these are all things that should be taken into account before you try to apply for Medi Cal for these benefits. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, your next step is to sign up for the webinar by clicking the link above. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment below. Be happy to address them. See you soon.